there's Ethan. Say hi.
Hi. Hi. Hi. Hi. I open my mouth. Hi.
You saying hi?
Hi.
All right. You say mom?
Mom.
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 Open up your hand like that.
Mom.
Five. Mom.
Five. Mom.
Good. How about stars?
Star. Is it buddy?
Good. You want to
Hi.
sign too? All right. You going to sign too?
Hi.
All right.
Say hi.
You sign shoes?
Hi.
What's the sign for shoes?
Shoes. 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 Shoes.
Shoes. Good, Ethan.
Shoes. Shoes.
Socks?
Sock.
Down. Put it down. Socks.
Sock.
Yeah. Oh, like this.
Sock.
Yes, very good. Now, what about train? Is that your favorite sign?
Train. Train.
Very good. How about stars? Can we all do stars? Gabby, what's stars? Good. How about Ethan?
Ethan.
And Elias.
Baby, I want to say your name.
Melissa.
And say it.
Melissa.
I eat them. And zoom. How about